Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Kurnia Sukma Suryani. I will convey a video summary from YouTube about the Internet of Things. In this video, we will try to answer some of these questions. So as we discussion, I went on first to collect all definitions that have the ability to connect to the internet and collect and share data. So now that we have a clear idea of what is it, we can move on to the next question. It help make our lives. If we take an example, we have made a list before. Like smartphone have more question that you can know list here without going for hours and hours. It can allow us to watch movies. This allow us to connect to the internet, interact with stronger in the forum, subterranean or other thing. You understand? But let's take a better example from our understanding. Smart home have a lot of different features that we can talk about. So you can see how it's bring luxury into our life and make it more comfortable for us to live. Another example here is that data analysis is greatly improved today. Doctors make extraordinary decisions based on the time and data profit, but computer can sometimes make better decisions. And combining doctor and computer can give us the best diagnosis. Follow patiently, so it really helps us in the healthcare industry. Farming has been one of the industry that has remained with us since the dawn of human civilization itself. And now is the perfect time to improve on our traditional methods and turn to modern agriculture to profit food for our evergreen population. Smart technology has clearly helped us increase productivity through the tools such as smart tractor and analysis tools that will help us to get a better data analysis of the soil than cum. Manufacturing industry. There are basically four layers to it. The first layer in sensing the salt, the fish there, which is basically a part of it. This is basically by definition it has sensor and actuator that collect data from the environment based on specific function. For example, pressure sensor, atmospheric pressure sensor, and lake sensor. They basically collect all the data and pass it to the ambient the device know after. The data is collected through the sensing device layer. It goes to the connectivity layer, very down to the cloud. Using the internet, I usually do this connection through one of the ways, such as via cellular, Bluetooth, RFID, or NFC, then enter the data processing layer. It's basically the front end for all backend processing, which include the previous levels. Now, a good example to explain this process, say refrigerator, smart refrigerator. Now, the sensor in the fridge are smart, collecting data from the surroundings. They see what the temperature is like. Let's say it's 13.4 degrees, and what kind of item are stored in the refrigerator. After collection all this data, it sends it to a central cloud where processing occurs based on this collection data. The system determines the temperature inside the refrigerator. It should be 20 degrees, and we can see the result on the interactive screen. In the fridge, we are not involved in this process, but we are seeing the result we want. This is how it works in customizing what kind of feature does it have. It is not crazy to see that we may live in the future. Heart like heart is definition in a sci-fi film, not star skippy, but more like the blatant Roman king. Thanks all from me. If there are mistakes, apologies. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.